Hello, second grade. This week we're going to create a project using the element of design called pattern. We have created many patterns before, but now we're going to create an animal with a pattern skin. We're going to have our paper is horizontal. Our name is going to be on the top left or right. It does not matter. My name is on the top right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the two curved lines in the middle of the paper for our tree branch. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be even. So that is my tree branch. Now what we're going to do is draw the snake, the head of the snake. So we're going to make a curved line going down and around like an S, up, there. That is our snake head. And so now that our snake head is drawn, I'm going to draw the actual snake. So we need two circles for inside the eyes, and we need a tongue, because snakes have tongues that come out. So we're creating two vertical lines with a curved line on the top. So that is our first part of the snake. The second part of the snake, well, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna erase the inside of the snake's body because we don't need that. Now what we're going to do, we're gonna connect it. We're gonna go down and around. Again, down and around. So we just made a big fat U shape. Now we're gonna make a hue on the top. Great. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of in the middle. We don't need anything that's in the middle of the snake. Let's fix it just a little bit so it can look a little bit more realistic. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the other part of the snake. So this is the end point. I'm gonna find the middle and draw around and up, just like a U. And see this point right here? We're gonna make a small curved line. So now we just made another U shape. And now we're going to draw up and around. So now this here is okay, we're just fixing up some areas. We want it to look like it's hugging the branch. So you want the snake to look like it's hugging the branch. Okay. Now that that is complete, we're gonna finish the snake tail. What we're going to do is we're going to start off in the middle, up, to be a curve shape up. There we go. And this is our snake. Now, I'm going to have to erase the inside of this because this looks a little weird. We don't want that. Now it looks like it is hugging the branch, which is what we need. Now you can add leaves. I'm gonna add some leaves to make it more look like it's on a branch. So how I add leaves is just by taking my pencil. Well, first I'm gonna draw the tree branch. I'm gonna draw one tree branch on the top. So we're drawing two curved lines parallel. That means close. 2 curved lines with a point at the top, with a curved line in the middle. That's how you draw a leaf. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2 areas of the leaves. So far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves on the top. Now we're drawing the side, and we want to draw 2 curved lines for the tree branch, leaf, leaf, leaf. So that's 3 on 1. Then the bottom, we want to draw another leaf. And then the last set of leaves, so we're drawing a tree branch, same thing, 2 curves. Two curved lines. Leaf. 1 leaf on the side. 1 leaf on the other side. Another tree branch. One leaf on the top. 1 leaf on the bottom. And that's it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 leaves. You don't have to draw 16 leaves, you could do 10 leaves. I would suggest, if this is too complicated, draw 10 leaves for the background. Now I'm drawing some lines for the pattern of the snake. So the lines do not have to be even. So for the snake, I'm only going to stick with warm colors when I am coloring. When I get to that, I'm only using warm colors. So warm colors are yellow, orange, and red. Those are the 3 colors I'm sticking with. And that's the same colors I want you to use because we're now in springtime. And springtime has lots of bright colors. Okay, so you can continue to draw the lines all the way down to the snake's tail. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to take my marker. If you don't have a marker, you use a color pencil or crayon, or you can use any dark color such as a purple crayon or gray. I'm going to outline and then we're going to color. So now that the everything's outlined, I'm going to start off with the coloring of the snake. So the tongue's red. I'm going to start off with the color red. I'm going to skip 2 and then color each box. Skip 2, color each box. Skip 2, color. Skip 2, color. Now I'm going to stop here and I'm going to color the next box after red. Okay, and then the next color is yellow. So the pattern goes red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow. So now I'm going to finish the rest of the snake by myself, and then I'm going to start coloring the tree bark, which is going to be the color brown. Okay, now that's finished. I'm going to color the rest of the branches brown. And then the next color I'm going to use for the leaves is green. So I'm just showing you this part. Okay, so everything is colored in the areas that I showed you. Now it's your turn to color the snake, which is the pattern of the warm colors, red, orange, yellow. Now I'm coloring the next parts, which are the tree branches and the leaves. Okay, so now I'm going to just finish coloring these leaves and then move on. Here is the final project complete with the coloring of the blue backgrounds with the pattern design in the snake, and the bark is going to be blue and the leaves are green.